Animals survive by moving. They must expend energy to find energy. But plants are biologically anchored to a single location. If resources in their immediate surroundings are depleted, they cannot relocate to find more. This creates a difficult mandate. The plant must manufacture its own physical mass and energy using only invisible atmospheric gases, sunlight, and water. The leaf is the evolutionary solution to this problem. It functions as an active, high-output manufacturing facility optimized for continuous resource extraction. The physical blueprint of this factory is divided into specialized zones. The lamina is the broad, flat section designed for solar collection. The petiole serves as the connecting stalk, while the midrib acts as a central vein, providing structural support and a passage for fluid transport. This structural engineering provides the physical framework necessary for the biological processes maintaining life on Earth. The leaf blade, or lamina, is designed as a biological solar panel. Its flat geometry provides the maximum possible surface area for absorbing light. However, placing multiple panels on a single stem creates a risk of self-shading. If the upper leaves block the light, the lower panels cannot produce energy. Plants solve this through phyllotaxy, a mathematical system of arrangement. Leaves grow in alternate, opposite, or whorled patterns to ensure that each solar panel is positioned to avoid overlapping with others. Once positioned, the factory requires a constant supply of raw materials. The petiole and midrib function as the primary pipelines, pulling liquid water from the root system. These central pipelines branch into intricate venation networks. Some plants use a web-like reticulate pattern, while others use parallel lines. Both designs ensure that water and nutrients reach every cell in the leaf. The combination of precise exterior geometry and internal plumbing allows the leaf to generate energy without suffering a structural collapse. Inside the leaf, sunlight is chemically converted into glucose. This sugar provides the fuel the plant needs to stay healthy and grow. This production process requires a constant intake of carbon dioxide and the immediate removal of oxygen byproducts. This exchange is managed by stomata, adjustable exhaust ports on the leaf's underside. These openings let carbon dioxide enter and oxygen exit. They also regulate temperature. By releasing excess water vapor through transpiration, the leaf maintains balance and prevents overheating. As this water evaporates, it creates a passive suction mechanism. This force pulls water from the soil, through the roots, and up the stem without the need for a mechanical pump. Through this microscopic venting, the plant manages its own survival while contributing to the global atmospheric water cycle. In environments where water or nutrients are scarce, the standard flat solar panel becomes a liability. The large surface area loses moisture too quickly to sustain the plant. In arid climates, the leaf shrinks into a sharp spine, eliminating most of the surface area to prevent water loss. This modification also provides a physical defense against herbivores. In soil lacking nitrogen, leaves take on predatory forms like the Venus flytrap and pitcher plant. They use modified leaves as mechanical traps to capture and digest insects for their nutrients. Plants with weak stems use a different modification. Their leaves stretch and coil into tendrils, which wrap around nearby structures to provide physical support for the plant as it grows. These diverse forms are the same underlying blueprint, reprogrammed to survive in the Earth's most difficult environments. The leaf blueprint also allows for replication without the use of seeds or pollination. Through vegetative propagation, certain leaves can generate entire root systems on their own. As seen here in the bryophyllum, small plantlets grow directly from the edges of the leaf. Once these plantlets mature, they fall to the soil and develop into new plants. This allows the species to spread and colonize new areas quickly. The coordination of geometry, microscopic plumbing, and adaptive engineering allows plants to survive and maintain the biological conditions of the planet. This massive network of silent machines operates continuously, manufacturing the biological foundation for life on Earth.